Okay, this is for the customers who have bought my Handline reels on how to maintain these things. First thing you want to do is once a year, take all the line off and all the rigging off. Start with something like this foam, anything to, you just wrap it onto here like so. About every 2 years. And as you can see, I have this aluminum boat, and this aluminum just gets all over everything. That's why I hate aluminum boats. That's why we're building a new boat. As you can see, this Handline is in very good condition. It's just time to service it. What you want to do is take a light, maybe 320 grit sandpaper. Okay, so the first thing is you want to get you some 220 grit sandpaper. Doesn't have to be waterproof or anything, but take it and just sand this down. And then step 3, put another coat or 2 of varnish on it. You do that about every couple of years, and this will just last just several lifetimes, really, quite frankly.